Okay, hello. Today we're filming. Let's see here. I'm feeling a little under the weather, so bear with me, people. I bought this dissected salamander kit. It's a kid's kit from the store, and we're trying it out. Okay. So first we opened it up. Ooh, and then you cut away the gel. Working on this. Okay, what are we doing? Cutting away parts to reveal the bones inside. That's fun, huh? We got this gel-like substance here we're cutting off. So you can just cut off and then get it to the... That's his skull, huh? So you can just keep cutting into it. Alright. This looks like a pretty fun kit for anybody, actually. If you want to learn about salamanders without actually killing a salamander. Right, Luke? Okay, we'll come back a little later when we've cut out more.